Hello dear friends, as always I am the Fear, and today we are counting our exciting journey on my favorite platform, Pocket Option. I'll show you how a proper analysis can significantly grow your investments. We've got 3 trades lined up, and the results are going to be outstanding. Ready? Let's get started. For the first date, I'm investing $200 on an upward trend. We are watching this currency pair, and after reaching its lowest point, the trend has turned upward. Although the movement is still at a single level, I see that the entry point indicates the possibility of the upward pattern repeating. It's just the perfect time to invest. Closing the trade, and the result is $384. An excellent start. I love seeing our efforts being to the bear fruit. Now, moving on the second trade. I'm investing upward again. This currency pair is also showing a strong upward movement. We're on the verge of reaching a new resistance line. And with an expiration time of 3 minutes, this investment looks rock solid, starting with $384. So we close the trade, and the result is $737. I'm thrilled with our progress. It's so motivating to keep going. Before we move on to the final trade, I want to mention something important. If you want to improve your trading results, join my Telegram channel. In my channel, you'll find useful tips and analytics to help you make better informed decisions. I share daily trading strategies, session results, and a bit of my lifestyle. Links in the description. Now, the third trade. I'm investing upward once again. The bulls are keeping the entire market on an upward trend, and the alligator jaws are positioned along the price curve, indicating a strong upward movement. Closing the trade, and I've doubled my investment to $1,415. This will be a perfect end to our trading session and naturally to my workday. Thank you so much for joining me today, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join our Telegram channel for news, analytics, and a glimpse into my life. Use Pocket Option to reach your trading goals. And see you next time.